example, in this particular situation, we are checking if the file system is already encrypted at rest and it has all the policies in place. And if we go and click here, we're going to see right that the particular Sentinel policy has passed, means everything is okay, every information is encrypted in our file system. Of course, you also have the option to integrate with open policy agents, right? We're not forcing you to use Sentinel, you also have the flexibility to use that. And once the apply is finished, we have our environment up and running. And here we have a couple of elements that have been deployed. So our AAP server, and we are displayed the credentials so we can log into it later. And our workspace for the application. So what we can do, we can go and copy paste the link for the AAP server and also the GitHub repository. So this is the GitHub repository with all the Terraform modules and configurations there. And this is the particular IP address for our Ansible Automation Platform server. Yeah, we're going to bypass some security warnings here regarding the TLS encryption of this particular server. And yeah, now we're logging into the AAP server, and here we have a nice dashboard with all the hosts, projects, and inventories, right, within Ansible that we're going to use to do the configuration management of our infrastructure. So now our application workspace has been configured, right? So we're going to connect to this particular workspace. Again, this is linked to the VCS repository that has all the code